Hello everyone, I am Dr. N.P. Deepak, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see on case study on Fourier Series. Going to see some real life applications. First, Fourier Series is nothing but it is way to represent the periodic functions in sum of sine and cosine waves. Sine is nothing but it is an odd function, cosine is nothing but even function. In the Fourier Series occurs f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cosine x plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. In this a naught, a n, b n are constant values. These are the average values of the signals, wave signals. It is Fourier series helps to represent the signals in transformations of frequencies. Next, we are going to see some real applications of Fourier transforms in mechanical engineering. Kritika will explain.
Real-life applications of Fourier series in a mechanical engineering. The Fourier series is widely used in the mechanical engineering field to analyze the solvent problems that involve periodic or repeating behavior. It helps in breaking down complex signals or motions in simple sine and cosine components, making analyzing easier. In the mechanical department, Fourier series is mainly applied in the vibrational analysis of machines, engines and structures. To find the natural frequencies and avoid resonance that can cause damage. It is also used in the heat transfer problems to study temperature variations in rods, fines and plates when heat flow changes periodically. It plays an important role in sound and noise analysis, helping engineers design silencers and reduce unwanted noise from engines and machinery. In rotating machinery such as turbines, motors and compressors, Fourier series helps detect the imbalances or mechanical faults by analyzing vibrational signal. It is useful in signal processing for interpreting data from sensors like strain gauge and accelerometers and in control systems to analyze the frequency response of machine.
Next, we are going to see some real life applications of Fourier series in electrical and electronics engineering.
A logical mathematical tool used essentially in ingredient to analyze, design and optimize a system involving signals and waveforms. Signal analysis and processing. Any periodic signal can be represented as a sum of sine and cosine function using Fourier series. Application: analyzing voltage and current waveform in circuits, decomposing complex and signals into fundamentals and harmonic components, noise filtering and communication signal analysis. Example: in power electronics, waveforms from inverter and rectifiers can be analyzed to identify harmonic and design filters. Power system harmonic analysis. Non-linear loads, example rectifiers, drives, reflected harmonic in power systems. Fourier series helps in determining total harmonic distortion and meeting power quality standards and industries. Example: utility complex use Fourier series to monitor and value harmonics in power transmission lines.
Next, we are going to see some real life applications of Fourier series in electronics and communication engineering.
So coming to the electronics and communication engineering, it is of 6 types: digital processing, communication system, filter design, circuit analysis, image processing and radar and communication signals. So for signal processing, it is used to analyze and reconstruct signals like audio, video and etc. For example, in speech processing. So this Fourier series helps to represent the voice signals in terms of frequencies. So communication system. Any transmitted signals like AM, FM and digital can be represented using Fourier series. So it helps to understand the bandwidth, harmonics and modulation. For example, in AM transmission. So coming to the filter design, the engineering uses Fourier series to design low pass, high pass and band pass filter that allow certain frequencies. For example, removing noise from an audio or a signal. Circuit analysis. In AC circuit, the Fourier series helps to analyze non-sinusoidal waveforms like square voltage applied to RC circuits. In response of each harmonics can be submitted separately. So image processing, used in image processing and edge detection. For example, JPEG compressions. And radar and communication signals help in analyzing complex radar waveforms or communication signals that are used in periodic and non-sinusoidal. Thank you.
Next we are going to see some real life applications of Fourier series in sound engineering.
Sound wave analysis and synthesis. Complex sound waves can be broken down into simple cosine, sine and cosine waves. Example like music, voice and noise. Audio compression converts time domain sound signals into frequency domain data in MP.
Finally, the real life applications of Fourier series in engineering is it helps to analyze periodic signals in circuits and systems, and it is used in sound and music image processing, and from the base Fourier transform which is used for non-periodic systems. So finally the Fourier series is to finally switch waves to signals computer. Thank you.